Hello guys, today we prepare the magic cake. I have already oil and put the baking paper in my baking pot. Now I will tell you all the ingredients. We need 125 gram of butter, melted but at room temperature, 140 gram of sugar, 500 ml of milk, also this one should be at room temperature, and because I make the normal one plus the chocolate together, I will divide the ingredient, and in half I will add 65 gram of flour, and in the other half 30 gram of flour with 25 gram of cocoa powder, plus 4 eggs, 1 bag of vanillin, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of cold water, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, now that we know all the ingredients, very important that you follow all the steps. I will speak, we can say, nothing. In this way the video will be short. It's very important that you follow what I'm doing now. So first of all, now we take the eggs and we put the yolk with the sugar, and we need to use this one to work all our dough. After 80 minutes at 150 Celsius degree, our cake is baked. Now we should wait that the temperature our cake reach the room temperature. After we cover with a plastic wrap and we put in the fridge for at least 2 hours. So see you tomorrow for the tasting. spectacular. I don't know if you have noticed, there is inside this cake 3 different consistencies. This is why it's called magic cake, because on the top is more dry, in the middle like a pudding, and down like a crepe. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos, to share this video with your friends, and for any question down in the comment. Bye bye!